Hey, Stefan here. It's a special video for today. I'm gonna show you how to protect your DSLR screen. Yes, something that is gonna help you to protect your DSLR screen. Unboxing is coming right now. That's a stupid hit. Okay guys, so let's do the review now. So this is from this company, it's opposite. So it's aflanta.com, afunta.com. This is the second purchase that I did. I didn't do the unboxing and the review of this thing. And I said, okay, I'm gonna purchase another one. I'm gonna make a video. I want to show you because this is amazing and this is fantastic because it's coming with really nice package. Afunta.com. It's pretty good. I was super amazed when this thing came, and it comes with a really nice box. Obviously this is a plastic, but look at that, man, look at that details, you know. So it's very nice, very presentable, very posh. So yeah, let's open it now. So you can see here, so basically you have some message here, instructions how to apply the screen protector. We have a couple of wipes here. Also what we have, yeah, some stickers. Those stickers are very nice if the screen has got some dust or something, so you just put on the screen. I'm gonna show you how. So comes with two protectors. So this is actual tempered glass. Yeah, it's a tempered glass. This is the same thing as you put on your smartphone, but protects your DSLR screen. This is for 3-inch screen only. I already applied one on the previous time, but I didn't do a video. But it's very nice. So this is, now I'm gonna show you where should we put it. Obviously you know, but I'm gonna show you. So this is a very good screen protector, tempered glass for your DSLR from this company, afunta.com. So yeah, double check. I'm gonna leave a screen. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description area where you can buy this tempered glass for your DSLR. It's like 5 or 6 pounds, which is pretty good, like it's very cheap. So yeah, this is the video for today. Now I'm gonna show you, obviously you know where to apply this, but just gonna be like a quick video to show you usually how you do that. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so this is my DSLR. This is Canon 200D or SL2. This is very good, as you can see here. I already applied the, I don't know if you can see, yes. I already put a screen protector. It's so good that you even sometimes you don't realize that there's a screen protector. You can see here, you see, focus, yes. It's pretty good because the screen protector tempered glass just applies everywhere, so it's very good to protect the DSLR. The installation is very easy, doesn't get any bubbles, but it's pretty good, guys. So yeah, this is very good to protect your DSLR screen because you don't want to scratch it. And most of the time now I just you know, I put it like this, but not anymore. So now I just open it and I leave it off to the side. I leave it like that, which is pretty good. So yeah, I hope this video is not too long. So yeah, it's very good to protect your screen. So yeah, this is afunta.com, really nice tempered glass for your screen or for your DSLR. Guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe, share, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.